Hello guys, so today I want to quickly show you the use of the Google Lens app. You can use it to translate a document, a text from any language, either French, Russian, Spanish, of any language of your choice. Let's quickly dive into this and let's see how it works. Now quickly open your Play Store app and download the app from Play Store. Now search and type Google Lens. Now I already installed this app in my phone, so I won't be needing to install it again. I'll quickly click on open. Now we have the Google Lens app. Now I have a document that's actually in French language. I want to translate this document to English so that I can read it. Now I'll click on the document. This document is written in French. It's a cover letter in French language. Now, my Google Lens has been able to translate this from a French language to English for me. Now, you can still zoom this to actually have a better view of it. Now, from this, you can easily read any document with the use of this. And this is just one function of this app. You can actually do more with it. We have the text option, we have the search. Let's quickly use the search options to see what you can do with it. Now I have the search option and I have a picture in my phone that I actually don't know the name and I quickly want to search for it. Now let's say this. Now with the lens, it will quickly search for it. Now as you can see, it has brought out, I have the image, but I don't know the name of I don't know the name of this image. Now with the lens, it has actually brought out the name from which is a TP-Link router, and it came with various options. This is just more you can do. This is just one of the more things you can do with this app, and it's a very good app. If you can utilize it, it will actually ease whatever stress you are going through. And we also have the text option here. You can still bring out your text and it will translate it for you. So these are more you can do with this app. If you find this video helpful, quickly drop a comment, like and subscribe to this channel. See you in our next video.